Okay guys, real quick, I'm going to show you how to create a voiceover in Adobe Premiere, which you'll use for your project. First thing I want to show you is how to change your microphone. So it's very easy. You simply go up to Premiere Pro, Preferences, and then you're going to select Audio Hardware. Okay, now under Input, we are going to choose this external mic, which I have plugged in, and I'm going to say yes, and then I'm going to click on OK. So now I have that external mic selected. Now I can go over here to audio. This is where I can work with all of my different features when I'm working with audio, but because this is super easy, I'm not going into that. All you simply do is you click on this microphone. It's going to count you down, and now I'm using my external mic to create my voiceover. You click it again, and then you'll see that you have this little track here. And again, you can like stretch that out or however you want to do it. You have your sound waves. So then if I want to hear my voiceover, and now I'm using my external mic to create my voiceover. Okay, so then it's that easy.